How to fix missing microphone voice inputs on Android keyboard. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open any messaging application like Messenger, Notes so that you can get keyboard on your Android phone. Here you can see that at top of the keyboard you will see different icons like stickers, GIF, clipboard, settings and the pen like icon. So to fix your issue, you have to tap on the gear icon to access your keyboard settings. From the space, select voice typing. Once it opens, you need to make sure to toggle the button on for use voice typing. If it is turned on, then your microphone voice input on Android keyboard will be not enabled and it will not be shown. So toggle the button on and when you come back, you can see that we have successfully brought this voice input on the keyboard and fixed missing microphone voice input on Android keyboard. So that's how we fixed the issue. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.